Now, with altcoin search volume anticipated to explode in the coming weeks, according to Google Analytics, I am buying altcoins, right? If you want to get ahead of the trend, if you want to get ahead of the price increase, you've got to buy when not everybody is willing to buy. And of course, then you unfortunately have to sell when everybody else is willing to buy. You buy low and sell high. Now, with that, one of the search terms that follows this excessive growth is, well, what are the best cryptocurrencies to buy? What are the best altcoins to buy? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the best altcoins to buy for big gains in the upcoming bull market. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, I do believe, as Google does, that we are on the brink of a major increase in overall altcoin volume, overall altcoin purchases, and overall altcoin interest. Right now, today, seems like a very red day. You scroll on down the list, everything's red over the last hour, a lot is red over the last week, and it's certainly red over the last 24 hours as well. But with that, there's a couple different ways that you can look at which altcoins to buy now. One of the things that AI likes to do is simply talk about the largest altcoins. Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Binance. All of these are good options, and all of these have been trending higher over the last couple of weeks. So if you look at Ethereum, for example, Ethereum might be having a little bit of a red start to the week here, but Ethereum is moving up beautifully over the last couple of weeks and testing fresh highs. Guys, Ethereum may run into some trouble at the $4,000 mark, absolutely, but if it breaks through, it is going to soar beyond this resistance level, hitting fresh, not all-time highs necessarily. The all-time highs are back here at about $4,800, $4,900, but this is a major level of resistance that could be broken and gains could ensue. Other altcoins, other major altcoins, they're talking about Solana, they're talking about Cardano, and they're talking about a lot of these bigger ones. I own probably 10 out of the top 10 altcoins, and then of course going on to the top 20, maybe, I don't know, 12 to 15 out of the top 20 altcoins. So what does that mean? That means I've taken a very diverse approach. Another way that you can take a look at what are the best altcoins to buy now are altcoins with significant potential. These are lesser known altcoins with very high potential. Bitcoin Hyper, Chainlink, of course Ripple's very well known, but it does have some great potential. And SUI, Remitix is also one that is listed there. Now, things to consider before investing, and hopefully all of you guys are able to make your own decisions, right? But altcoins, project, and objective. Is it a meme coin? Is it extremely speculative? Do they have utility? Team and CEO expertise. Who's behind it? You know, what's going on there? Community support. Do a lot of people want to buy in? Technology, market capitalization, liquidity, tokenomics, use cases, risk management, and so on. Of course, cryptocurrency is highly speculative. Absolutely. Even AI gives itself a little bit of a disclaimer down there, and you guys should know that by now. But one of the other altcoins that's not mentioned on this list that I have been buying into on several occasions is Best Wallet. Now, one of the reasons that I am doing this is because as these cryptocurrencies begin to move higher, right? It's unfortunate, but the vast majority of retail investors do not buy when prices are low. The vast majority of retail investors buy when prices are high. Now, altcoin search volume is doing fantastic right now, and it's expected to rise. How to buy cryptocurrency? Let's take a look at that. How to buy crypto search volume is ticking up as well. Now, I don't know, they don't have the anticipated gains or anticipated losses in search volume here for how to buy crypto, but as prices rise, more and more people should be interested in buying crypto. And as they are, they're going to figure out that they need a wallet. One of the wallets that I've been buying into is one of the wallets that I use. Best Wallet. So if you guys are interested in buying this one, you're going to click that link in the description below. You're going to buy with crypto, buy with card, and connect a wallet. I do like to connect either my Best Wallet or my Trust Wallet. I scan that QR code, type in how much I want, and those tokens are mine on launch day. Now, here's the thing that I would suggest, right? Don't just go in and buy this blind. Download the wallet. It's nice that you can see their screenshots and all of this, but scroll through their app. See if this is something that you even like. And if it is, you can make the determination that if you like it, somebody else might like it as well. And as more and more people jump into the cryptocurrency game during this bull market, during the frenzy, during the excitement that ensues over the coming months, and hopefully over the coming days and weeks, right? Hopefully it doesn't take months. But if you follow the cycle of cryptocurrency bull and bear markets, we should be gearing up for a beautiful, potentially the best bull market the cryptocurrency space has ever seen towards the end of this year. September, October, November, into December. And the guys, unfortunately, if you wait, it may be too late by the end of this year, and we may see a bear market pullback the same way that we have seen in the previous 3 cycles. So with that, I accumulate now. I accumulate ahead of the runs, and I accumulate ahead of the gains so that I can take advantage of those gains. Best Wallet has a lot of features and a lot of opportunity that really you can only appreciate if you do download that wallet. So you get a link for it down in the description below. Whether you use the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, it's going to pull you up to the correct location. You're going to be able to download it, test it, and finally make the decision as to whether or not you guys want to invest in it. I've made my decision. I want to know what you guys are doing down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.